A strong start to the last and final trading week of 2020. So it's been a good one. We started off comfortably in the green and nicely build on to that, pretty much closing at the high point of the day. In fact, we've got 13,900 now within eye distance of closing. In fact, almost practically we made it to that mark, at least on the Nifty futures today, with the closing at 13,897. So 133 points higher. You've got contribution coming in from across sectors. Actually, to be fair, you had a good set of global cues as well to start off with trade today, and there wasn't any devastating news at least coming in over the Christmas weekend. So good traction. Real estate, of course, has been your big winner today. You've also got metals hold out very well. Media as a sector contributed, and banks really came to the fore, much unlike what was transpiring last week, where it was only one-way move, and that was IT. Today's trading session, you had banks made a very solid comeback. So very quickly then, let's just walk you through some of the big movers. And amongst the large cap names, you had Tata Motors hold out by about 6%, you had Tata Steel hold out, SBI did very well, HDFC Life was a big gainer in trade, you had good moves coming in on Titan as well, SBI Life, GAIL, Innocent Bank, Tata Steel, L&T. These were a couple of big winners in trade. Also, like I was saying, banks as well held out smartly. So not just SBI, but Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis, they were all holding up very, very smartly indeed. From within the broader universe, wherein we had a very strong market bet today from the word go, and in closing as well, it was just 18 F&O names which managed to close to the declines. You had a very strong session for likes of SAIL, which held out by about 7.5%. Indiabulls Housing, which looked very smart, about a 6.5% traction coming in there as well. Tata Motors, like I already mentioned, looked very good. Some of the other movers from last week, like Godrej Properties, saw a big breakout in the charts last week, and a very smart follow through all of Friday, and today was no different. Today as well, the stock propped up a good 4.6% as well, and JSW Steel was the other winner. Handful of losers, and let's just quickly mark you or walk you through those as well. Apollo Hospitals, Cadila, largely healthcare was the one which took a bit of a beating, and Biocon, which was down about almost 3.5% or so. There was Indus Tower and Escorts as well, which were a couple of other laggards too in trade. Shree Cement as well, just very mildly soft there. Sun Pharma, Britannia, Cipla, Unilever, Dr. Reddy's. So the tilt of the market today was sort of profit taking in pharmaceuticals, if I can call it that. But again, to talk about the not just strength that you're seeing in various sectors, but the strength in FII flows as well. Month to date too, you've got a very, very strong figure coming in from the FIIs. So that continues to hold up our markets in very good stead, and yet another great start to the last grand finale week of 2020.